Hello boys and girls. Today our learning objective is very similar to yesterday but with one difference. I wonder if you can spot it. I can explore different ways to make the same total, including addition and subtraction, with numbers 11 to 20. Did you notice anything? Well, yesterday we didn't include subtraction. So for example, we did finding the total of 14 in two different ways. This side of the equal sign and this side of the equal sign, both adding up to 14. But we were just adding. We didn't have any taking away in there. So let's have a look at what we're doing today. Now, I have got some Unifix cubes again, totaling 16 this time. Now, what do you notice? Well, we have got 8 blue plus 8 pink. So we've got 8 plus 8 makes 16, and so does 10 plus 6. So that is addition again. Let's have a look at how we're going to lay it out today. We've got a chart that looks like this, and we've got our total 16 in the middle. And on this side, we've got two numbers that add together to make 16. For example, 8 and 8. Another two numbers that add together to make 16, 10 and 6. So let's write those in there. 8 add 8, 10 and 6. Both make the same total of 16. Then we've got three numbers that total 16. For example, instead of 10 yellow, now we've got 3 pink plus 7 yellow. So that's 10 and 6 more makes 16 again. So we've now got 3 plus 7 plus 6. Now if you look at this side, we've got some subtraction in there. So if we start at the top, we need one number, subtract another number, that totals 16. Have you got any ideas? Well, if I leave that bottom tower there, 3 plus 7 plus 6 equals 16, and then have another one that's 20 cubes long. Can you see? If we started with 20, what would we take away so that our total equals 16? Before, wouldn't it? 20 take away 4 equals 16. There we go. So let's write that in. 20 subtract 4 totals 16. This time we've got two numbers that add together and then subtract 1. Well, what about there? We had 20 made up of 10 pink and 10 blue. So we could have 10 plus 10 is 20, subtract 4 again is 16. Then we've got one more way to make 16. Something, subtract something, subtract something. What about starting with 20 again? What could we subtract first? It needs to be quite a small number, doesn't it? Because we've only got 4 to subtract before we get to 16. So if we split that 4 into maybe 2 and 2, then we've got 20 again, subtract 2, subtract 2 more, equals 16. Okay.